right there. What'd you do?
Oh, are we filming?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
I have to stay a little distance away.
So the problem with hammocks when it's cold is even if you have a sleeping bag, it gets cold wherever you're laying on. So, and some other companies sell under hammock quilts. So, I don't have the budget. They're like 130 bucks sometimes. Like a Bass Pro, the brand is somewhere in that range. So instead, I bought a $20 sleeping bag, added eyelets with an eyelet tool from Walmart for like $6. Bought about not even $10 worth of paracord. And I already have climbing gear and stuff, so that's, I used rated carabiners, but you don't have to use rated carabiners. You can buy the cheap ones, 10-pack for like $5. So what we have here is these eyelets running here. These just string along and they tie into this particular hammock has these straps. There's 1, 2, 3 along the side of the hammock, and so you hang it to where it's like one side of a rectangular tortilla, and then you come over here and you have one side hanging about where you want it, as if it was tight, but you still need to get in. So you get in, and someone would have this tail. In my case, it's my wife. So you're gonna get in, and what's gonna happen is you get that over you. So you rig like some paracord and basically make a knot that you can pulley that this way. And so not only are you rigging it up, you're rigging it out that way. And since it's tight here, it pulls everything in, and then what you're left with is this nice like sleeping taco basically. And here it stays pretty loose, so when the wind hits that, your butt's not getting cold. So total project cost less than 50 bucks. So I saved like 75 bucks. It took me quite a bit of time, but it was fun to think about, and we'll see you later. Thank you.